In this video, I'm going to show you how you can align objects using the alignment tools in InDesign. So you can see here I've got three shapes. I'm going to align them in different ways in a minute to show you how to do it. And you can see I kind of have a different shot of my InDesign workspace because I need you to see the end of the control bar. So that's why it looks a little bit different right now. First, I'm going to align the blue square with the pink stroke with the yellow rectangle with the red stroke. So I'm going to select the blue square and I'm going to hold down my shift key and select the rectangle. And now you see the bounding box encompasses both of those shapes. It also happens to encompass, it looks like the circle, the green circle, but it actually doesn't because I didn't select that. You'll see that in a second. When I align these items, the two items I selected will move, but that third, the circle, will not move because I didn't select it, so it has nothing to do with what we're going to do here. Oh, so yeah, now those are selected. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to here in my control bar. There are some buttons right up here in this section. And so I'm going to go through those. There is an align left button, which means you can align the left edges of two or more objects together. This one is align center, horizontal center, so it will find the horizontal center, which is funny because it seems like it would be along the horizon, the horizontal, but it's not, it's vertical where it finds that center. Right edges, you can also align the bottom edges, the vertical center, and the top edges. You can also align objects to other certain selections if you need to. Today we're going to do a left align of these objects. So you can see I've already got them selected. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click my Align Left Edges button. And when I do that, you can see the yellow rectangle jumped over and aligned itself with the its left edge with the left edge of the square. Now whenever you do any kind of these kind of transforming actions where things are relating to each other, whichever the first shape that you select, it typically is like kind of the boss shape. It's the shape to which the other things change according to whatever transformation or feature that you're using. Let's do another one. So I'm going to unselect those and I'm going to select the green circle this time and the yellow rectangle. Now you can see the bounding box actually kind of cuts through the blue square because it really has nothing to do with the blue square. I didn't select it. But I'm going to go up and I'm going to pick align vertical centers for our green circle and our yellow rectangle. So when I click on that, you can see they kind of jumped together. They kind of met in the middle. So now you have them lined up a little bit differently. Now because they met in the middle, that the boss shape doesn't take effect. But if it was the left align or the right align, the top align or the bottom align, then that whatever object you picked first is takes control. That is about it. It's not a tough concept at all, and you can do a lot of different interesting things with it, and it makes lining up images and shapes and things like that much easier than trying to drag and figure out where it is that you need to drop something so that it aligns with something else.